Keep your money there. Swing your one left to right. Do the side over there. Beat them like a whipping on me. No for them, they hear a talk with them. See we them got it. How is the pulse? Make sure you swing your man. When them come to you with argument, make sure you run them. Happy I live a life, I make money, we not a problem. I bag a chat and make I say them bad, we not look at them. Bones. Say you feel bones. So everybody start bones. It's a Friday. Somebody skipping the phone. Somebody skipping the phone for me. Skipping the phone for me. Hit the phone. New York City. Hit the phone. 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 Get wild out tonight. I'm talking about New York City. Everybody starts a party now, man. It's a Friday. Can't give it up on what's the party now, man? New York City. It's dancing, it's moving, it's electric. This hot girls request it. Come on now, everybody catch it. DJ select this. Come along. Look at their watch. Look at their watch. Look at their watch. Look at their watch. Everybody go. Top this guy 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 go. No, 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 no. Let me fuck up in ya. Hold on. Hold on. You might be that person in the crew who don't know how to do the full routine. You like me, that's okay. That's okay. So here what you're doing. If you know the person that know the full routine, point to that person. Point to the person who know the full routine. The full routine. The this, and the swing in the air, and the go again, and all of that. Take out your phone right now, and I want you to show off your friend who know the full routine. Take out your phone and show off your friend who know the full routine. 1, get ready to go. 2, get ready to go. 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm gonna fuck up in there. Somebody show me a sign of their watch. Show me. Schedule go ahead, show me. Schedule go ahead, show me. We gonna You wanna get lost, you wanna get lost. Hold on. Oh yeah, I think I got it. Hold on. I want to see the bad girls and them do this in the foam. I want to see some girls and some fellas do this in the foam. This is Baywatch. Understand what we're doing. If you are the person who don't know how to do it, just take your phone out, put the phone lights on, and let we start to do it together. You ready now? 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm gonna fuck up in ya. I'm gonna fuck up in ya. I'm gonna turn up in ya. I'm gonna fuck up in ya. I'm gonna turn up in ya. I'm gonna fuck up in ya. I'm gonna turn up in ya. Let we go, the man. Let we go. Watch it. Oh no. Keep back. Look at me. Watch Jason. Look at them. Look at them. Killer. Some move. Some rock. Some slip. Liquor. Move. Keep back. Drive. We got. Make a dance. Come on, time. So everybody start now. Fuck up in ya. Jesus Christ. Boys for Mega. There are some people that don't know how to do this dance, and they study it like they know how to do it. You will tell them right now. You will tell them.
Fucking
Boys for Mega.
fucking boy. Dance.
When you hear move on my way, that's why you push somebody and me watch. Just push somebody and me watch. Push somebody and me watch. Hey, move out my way. What I am right from my day. Hey, move out my way. Now me I'm right from my day. What do I do tonight? Bad we are mados. What on? Everybody party. Party time at this. Oh my God.
Hold my cup in the city, a girl at that short. A girl up in the back, I get stopped.
I find that broken niggas only playing like 2 songs on this winner. We'll run through this winner by far. Hold on, no man.
On Sunday morning, my come out.
What on?
Honey and tomato, and jolly.
What on?
2 pound rice, 2 pound of salt. Some coming in my.
You see them girls today? Honey. Every girl who can take a back shot of this way of bend over right now. Just start to bend over right now.
And every girl I get wild out tonight.
Wild.
Party in my house tonight.
If she's up, go get me up.
By far, mega.
By far. Alright, man.
Well, if you're just a sucker DJ, you're crazy. All the girls who love back shot, put your hands on your knees and bend over for me. Put your hands on your knees and bend over for me. Bend over for me. And every girl I get wild out tonight. Hey.
Party in my house tonight. If she's
Wild out tonight.
Oh, you know wild out tonight. Out the blue light, they try out devices. All I'm since then sign out tonight. I keep weed, man, fly, go Dubai.
Yo, Jamie, I can try and take in this party.